Hello, I'm Dave. Welcome to my Technical Notes channel.
Continuing the series of learning the Arduino IDE syntax, the rules. In this, the final part of the videos, we'll learn about the location of library files. So they're either included in chevrons, or usual style for a library, or in double quotes. So when the include name is prefixed and suffixed with chevrons, enclosed in chevrons, the IDE, the compiler, looks in your libraries folder, and there I'm depicting where it will look for that particular mylibrary.h in your libraries folder. When the include statement is prefix and suffix with double quotes, it will look in the sketch folder where the sketch mylibraryexample.ini is located. So that means look locally. So only search your sketch folder for that library. So in conclusion then, the chevron left and right means only search the Arduino libraries folder, and the double quote means only search the current sketch folder. This video concludes the series of creating an Arduino IDE library.
I hope you found this technical note interesting and useful.